Hi guys, today I'll be showing you all about the fidget spinner. So let's get right into this. So I'm going to show you a lot of cool tricks and I'm going to tell you all about it, only one thing about that. Because let's just get into the one thing now, okay? Please subscribe or leave 1,000 likes on this video, I hope. Because, okay, so fidget spinners are really popular because, as you see, they can do this. For some reason, people just like that. I watched this YouTube video with tiles on the end of the fidget spinner, tacks, and this is what happened. This guy was like pretending that he had put it on his tongue, but instead he had food coloring. It was on his tongue, and he was like, and it was dripping down his shirt. And he showed him the food coloring, and it was like da 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 da, like that. And okay, Shiba is right behind me. Okay. So now. So a lot of YouTubers in the world, a lot of YouTubers in the whole entire world saw what a fidget spinner was. They thought it was like absolutely really cool. And they started putting videos of fidget spinners right on their own videos. So let's get into the trick, see? Okay? Spin it and do that. It's kind of hard, but if you do this, you keep spinning it. If you keep, wait, so hard. If you keep spinning it really hard. Okay, practice makes perfect, and if you do that, just keep spinning it like that. Then do that, and it will feel kind of weird. So, my auntie tried this out, and it was like spinning for 52 seconds. Yep, I just looked right at her, and she waved her head up and down like, okay. So there's another story about the fidget spinners. So a lot of people in my class have the fidget spinners, and they got a best friend, Riley, and he's getting one next Tuesday. Next week on Tuesday. He's gonna be so happy, but he might not know I have this fidget spinner right here. So that might be the end of the video, guys. So, bye!